guys, so it's been a very busy week for me. I took this video I made this last week and I haven't been able to make a video of it. So finally here it is. So I made bulalo, and it is a beef bone marrow soup. It's really good, perfect for now that it's starting to get really cold. So just keep watching. I hope you really like it. So let's start by boiling the beef shank and bone marrow with water. Simmer for 30 minutes. Now add the onions and the garlic and again simmer for 1 hour. Remove the impurities on the water. So usually I do this every time I boil any red meat, so even pork. Once you boil it, usually you see those dark things floating in the water or on the side of the pan. So just scrape those off and take them off. So add some more water and add some salt to taste. And again, we're going to simmer it for about 30 minutes. Okay, so now we can add some corn and add a little bit of salt and boil it for about 10 minutes. Finally, we can add the potatoes, the peppercorn, and the cabbage. So just add a little bit more water, add a little bit of salt, and we're going to boil it again for about 20 minutes. Finally, we're going to add the Napa cabbage, and we're only going to boil it for about 5 minutes, and then turning the heat off, and just leave it on there for about 10 more minutes to let the Napa cook, but not overcook. So finally, you serve it with fish sauce. Now you can also add the fish sauce while you're cooking the soup, but I usually serve it on the side. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos.